What's up, everyone? I'm going to be starting a brand new build series on a 2006 Toyota 4Runner that I have. In the next few episodes that I have coming up, I'm going to go over a few things that I want to address, like seat covers, Apple CarPlay, suspension components, wheels and tires, and a new paint job. But for this episode, we're going to start with a common issue on these trucks, which is going to be a stuck rear tailgate latch. And as for the trunk, if it opens, all right, so all this stuff is in the back. So I'm gonna just get all this stuff out and cleaned up. The trunk doesn't open, so I gotta fix that. But at least the back window can still roll down. So I should be able to take this panel off, which I already started by taking this weather stripping on the inside. I can take this panel off and then get to the motor that opens the door. All right, so it took a little while, but I finally got the trunk open, and let me show you what I had to do. So inside of here, there was this plastic piece right here. So that was covering here. I just went in there and just bullied it out of the way. And also this panel, you gotta remove that little panel. But with that removed, you can see there's two little latches. This one here with the notch in it at the front. Then there's another one behind it. The one behind it, right back there, you put your hand around, you lift up on that. When you lift up on the back piece and push down on the front piece, that will open the latch. So that way you can push it forward. All right, we have our new piece here. It's gonna go this way, obviously. Now this bolt right here is actually this bolt right here. So we will unscrew this, and then we'll also unclip anything behind here like this. Move this out of the way. And also unbolt those three. So that way we can get this old one out. And then also this clip here. So we have to unclip this and then stick it through the hole. And then that should remove the whole thing. And then we could put our new one in. And then the back door should work. Because releasing this from inside here every time is not fun. Pushing down on this part and then up on the other part to actuate this. Not fun. All right, now a moment of truth. We have the old one out. We have the new one. All right, now a moment of truth. We have the old one out. We have the new one in, and it's connected. So let's see what happens. Good to go. And it opens. So there we go. All right, now I can start putting everything back to the way it was. Now be sure to tune in for the next few episodes where I'll be showing you all the rest of the things that I'm going to be doing to this 4Runner and reveal the final transformation. Also be sure to like and subscribe so that way you don't miss any other episodes. Till the next one, peace.